If you've never done it before, spraying aerosol adhesives can be a little tricky. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do it. And with a little practice, you'll find it's not only easy, but actually faster and more efficient than using traditional application methods. First, you need to make sure the can or canister is ready to use. It's important to know that if the can or canister is too cold, it will result in an irregular spray pattern, spitting or shooting a stream instead of spraying a nice, even pattern. If you start experiencing any problems due to cold temperatures, simply bring the canister into a warm place until it reaches room temperature. Always maintain canisters in an upright position and store at a controlled temperature between 60 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 38 degrees Celsius, and be sure to keep it out of direct sunlight. Do not store a canister directly on cold concrete floors. Instead, place the canisters on a wooden pallet or tank foot available from your Westech distributor to serve as a barrier between the metal canister and the concrete floor. Note that temperature also affects the time needed for the solvent to evaporate before the adhesive is sufficiently tacky. This is called the tack time. It also affects the amount of time the adhesive can be exposed to the air before it loses its ability to bond. This is called the open time. As a rule, adhesive should be applied when the temperature is between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 32 degrees Celsius. Rotate stock on a first-in, first-out basis. When stored at recommended temperatures in the original unopened container, aerosol canisters have a shelf life of 12 months. It is illegal and unsafe to reuse an empty disposable canister. Before you start to spray adhesive, be sure the materials you are gluing together are free of dirt, moisture, oil, or other contaminants. The use of gloves and eye protection is recommended during spray and cleanup. When you're ready to start spraying, connect the gun and hose to the canister. Then fully open the valve. Direct the spray gun towards the surface to be sprayed, holding it perpendicular to the object surface. The proper distance to hold the gun from the surface is 6 to 12 inches or 15 to 30 centimeters. If you're too close or too far away, you will waste glue. Now squeeze the trigger on the gun. If you are using an adjustable gun, turn the dial for the desired pattern. Spray a generous coat of adhesive evenly across both surfaces that are to be bonded together. Be sure to avoid adhesive buildup or puddles by applying a uniform coating of adhesive and avoiding excessive overlapping. After spraying, wait until the adhesive is tacky before bonding the materials together. You can usually tell the adhesive is ready to use when it no longer looks wet, it feels dry or tacky to the touch, and it does not transfer to the finger. As you work, remember that you have a limited window of open time to bond the surfaces together in order to obtain maximum strength. Please refer to the product label or technical data sheets for information on the tack time and open time for each product. Align surfaces properly and bond by applying firm pressure. We recommend that a 3-inch J-roller be used to apply uniform pressure over the entire surface area to achieve maximum bonding strength. When the canister is empty, to change to a new canister, simply close the valve. Discharge the pressure locked inside of the line by squeezing the gun's trigger. Then just disconnect the hose and gun. You are now ready to reconnect immediately to a full canister and get on with your work. Do not turn off the valve between uses, or the adhesive will harden or thicken inside the hose. Only shut off the valve when the canister is empty and you are ready to switch to a new canister. If you're not going to use the adhesive for an extended time, close the valve, disconnect the hose, and immediately clean the hose with Westech's high-quality adhesive remover. You can keep the gun tip clear of adhesive buildup by peeling dried adhesive off the tip opening, but never put any objects into the gun tip. To prevent the tip from clogging, Westech recommends using our industrial strength spray adhesive remover on the spray tip after each use. And as always, when you're finished with your work, be sure to store your canister in a controlled temperature environment until you need it next. Some special products might require slightly different techniques than shown in this video, so please refer to the label instructions and technical data sheets for the particular products you are using. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful. If you need additional assistance, please contact your local distributor, visit our website, or call us. Westech Adhesives. When your quality is on the line, why take a chance with anything else?